Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! No alcohol day today. But I need to cure my munchies. Bastard style. I got this Twisted Extracts 80 milligram THC indica gummy. I took 40 milligrams and I'm about just over 3 hours in. I got the fucking munchies good. This is excellent. It's really fucking good stuff. But I got a Sprite and I got some agua, so let's have a bit of a Sprite. Because it's fucking good too, you know. Refreshing. Alright, cure the munchies bastard style. This should be number 24. Gonna do a toasted smoked turkey, hot turkey sandwich. So I got the last of my smoked turkey with the gravy on the stove, heating up. Bread's already toasted, and we're just gonna put some cheese and salt and pepper on there. And munchies will be fucking cured. Woo! Okay. Turn that off. Put that over here. Give her a mixeroo. Got some good stuff right there. Alright. So, let's put some fucking turkey on here. The last of this fucking turkey. Pretty fucking gooned right now. That Twisted Extract stuff's fucking awesome. How about like that? Bitchy! Excelente. And let's put some fucking cheese on there. Because everybody knows cheese is fucking good. A little more, eh? There you go. Bitchy McBitch nuts. Okay. Turkey. More turkey. And gravy. Okay. Pepper. A little bit of salt. Salt. How about a little dash more cheese, eh? Just for good fucking luck. Why not? That was gonna be enough, but fuck it. Got the fucking munchies. Doesn't look like enough fucking cheese. There you go. There you go. Bitchy McBitch nuts. Get another fucking piece of bread on there. Give her a squisharoo. One more fucking time, eh? There, munchies. Time to get running. Nice. Okay. Good enough. There, buttercup. A little more fucking salt. Good. A little more pepper. Woo! Let's cut this fucker open, eh? Nice. That's what I call a hot fucking turkey sandwich. That smoked turkey breast that I did on the pit boss, the pit bitch. Heavenly. Fuck me, eh? That's fucking beautiful. Fucking dynamite, I tell you that right fucking now. My fucking God. Wow. There you go. Fuck yeah. Well, my munchies are on the fucking run. Alright, bitches. Simple and fucking easy. Use your fucking leftovers. They're great for curing the fucking munchies. Fuck yeah. Look out. I dripped again. Cheers, big ears. Nice. RTFO, mofos. Woo! Alright, bitches. That hot turkey sandwich was fucking awesome. And I'm good and fucking wasted. And I'm gonna break a fucking rule because, well, my munchies aren't over. I have a watermelon. But I always say don't operate sharp knives, well, really fucking high. But I need to get in there. So give me a moment. Get this fucking done. Knife. Knifage. See? Knifage. Not fucking good. Okay. Bitch! Ta-da! Alright. There you go. Nice. So, obviously, my munchies still haven't been cured all the way. So, oh yeah, put a little fucking salt on there too, eh? How about that, eh? Bitchy! And a spoon. Just fucking go to town. Don't mind the elbow. It's for the scab man. Boom. Oh, fuck, look at that, eh? I love watermelon. My favorite fruit. Mmm. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, fuck yeah. I will eat this whole half and the other half in probably a couple of hours. Alright, bitches. Mmm. Fucking A. There you go. RTFO mofos, cure your fucking munchies, get them on the run. How about that, eh, Pete? Mr. Thomas?